Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Crypto Trader here at Mining Trades, and I'm bringing you a little technical analysis. Bitcoin has just went on sale. Let's go ahead and pull up the 4-hour chart. Let's pull up the day chart. How about that? I did a technical analysis earlier today. I know some people watched it. I think I had like about 50 views. That was great. My channel's growing. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Here's the line I drew earlier. We need this thing to close beneath it in order for us to sell everything we got. All right. I mean, I don't know what to say. You guys do what you want to do. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Okay. And this is just advice. I'm sorry. This is not advice. This is just a channel where I document what I do, how I do, why I do it. I'm not telling you to do what I do. I'm just telling you, hey, this is what I think. This is my opinion. I think this is a good place to buy. I think this is a good place to sell. Can you lose money? I've lost money. Can you make money? I've made more than I lost. So therefore, I think I made money. But look, what we got going on is what we call a crash. Some people call this a crash right here. This is a crash over here. Bitcoin has crashed a lot of times. I'm going to tell you, it crashed over here. It crashed right here. And it's crashing right here. No, I don't think this is a crash. I think this is a sell. It was a tremendous sell right here. I wish it would go back down all the way to 10. I wanted to come all the way down to 8,000 so I can buy a couple of them. All right. That's what I want. I don't know what you guys want, but that's what I want. I think a lot of people want that, especially Jamie Dimon. He definitely wants Bitcoin to crash. You know, but he's just basically retracted. Oh, look. All the alts are coming back up. Verge is going back up. That was my alert system going off. Which ones are going up? Bitcoin, Litecoin. Litecoin didn't really crash. It's at 230. That's about a 7% crash. Sell, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say crash. Bitcoin is a 9%. Ripple is a 13. Ripple was showing like a great 20-30% crash, but this thing is still like, I can't even trust these numbers no more, because I remember seeing this at 180 and it said like 30% down. So I don't know. I'm not even gonna look at these percentages right now. But what we are gonna look at is this chart, because the chart doesn't lie. No, it doesn't. I don't know who said it did. Let's go look at the Coinbase chart and why I think we're headed up from here. Because there's basically 2 green bars. That's one indicator. I wouldn't hold that. We'd have to actually crack back above here, 13.8, for it to head back up. We could be heading back down. I mean, what point are we at right now? 7% down. They're reporting that we're 12% down on CNBC, but that was back down there. They keep updating their system. They're probably going to keep it at the lowest we've been, which is down here, which is 12.7, 12.8. We've been as low as 12.8. And that was right here. So we still haven't even got back down to this level right here where we were how many days ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days ago. We were right here at this level right here. How can I make this so we can see it? Let's see. Right. Let's get out of here. No more. Nothing. All right. This right here. Which is very rare. They trace back the roots of that page. They presented good evidence for this. No, this is very, very, let's check it out. In this space. So, some people that own Bitcoin, I mean, they don't know whether they should buy right now, but this is an absolutely good time to buy some Bitcoin. It's a very good time. This is a day chart here, and if it goes lower, buy some more. Hey, I mean, that's how it works. It doesn't work any other way. You're going to buy up here at 20,000, at 14,000, it's going to lose money. You're going to buy right here at 12,000, it's going to come all the way down to 11,000. Now, I should mark off the next part on my chart. Let me see, I'm on 15 minutes. Let's go to a 4-hour chart. All right. so we can get a picture of what's happening. We're trying to really, I mean, I thought it was going to pull back from right here and right here and right here, and then somebody said, you know what, I'm dumping all my Bitcoins, and that's what caused everything to people that say, you know, Bitcoin's going down to zero, I don't care, I'm selling it all too. And it goes down even here, even further. And somebody like me says, I'm buying that right there. And then somebody right here, they decided to buy it right here. But you know, if I'm gonna do my TA properly, we've went and fell through this support. This is no longer support. This is now, unless we clear above it again and close above it, meaning that this candle, this red part of this candle, or this green body of the candle. We're not talking about these pin lines, these wicks. But if the body of the candle closes back above it on a 15-minute, all right, on a 4-hour. All right, let's keep it on a 4-hour. What about the hourly? If it closes back above it on an hourly or a 4-hour or a day, especially on a day. I mean, if we close this day above this, then we didn't crash below it. I mean, this is a new day though. This is all after 00 UTC time. I know you're like, what's UTC time? That's the universal time for the actual globe. So this was it resets at 5. I mean at 00. That was at 4 o'clock West Coast time. I'm on the West Coast. So 4 o'clock West Coast time, a new day starts. Okay. As far as UTC and as far as these charts are concerned. This is created after 4 today. This is a great, the next part of the day could close above this line right here. This is my support line I drew at 13,430 or just 13,4. Just say 13,5, all right, if you want to be. But if it goes down here, we probably could see this thing. I mean, it has to actually fall past this level right here. This trend line has been violated. All right, and basically it fell out. It fell out over here. It went recovered. We all know Bitcoin's going to recover. If you don't think Bitcoin's going to recover, you shouldn't even be subscribed to my channel. Actually, you probably should be subscribed to my channel, but I'm going to just say this. Bitcoin has come a long way. All right? If I pull this chart all the way out to the very beginning of Bitcoin, almost, this is not the beginning of Bitcoin. The beginning of Bitcoin is 2011, 2009. Actually, my daughter was born 2008. Bitcoin was born the next month, which was January 2009. It was at the price of you know, sub-cents back then. We can't cover it on this chart. There is a chart. There is a symbol that does cover it. I'll go to it. The symbol that covers the whole thing is portfolio. Let's go up in here to Bitstamp. There we go. Oh, we went to 2011. We couldn't go to 2009. Okay, 2011. What price is this? This is $17. All right. Let me pull it out even more. Right, let's go pull this thing over here. All right. This is what this is looking like over here. Now, what price is this? $10. All right. This is the beginning of 2011, August. It goes down, it comes up, it crashes again, back down to $3, up to $15. And what does it do? Let's check it out. On a monthly, on a weekly, what is this, a monthly? What am I, 1 month? Oh Lord, that is incredible. Let's look at it on a weekly basis. That's not that many weeks. No, let's go back to the monthly basis. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that to you guys. All right, let's press the play button. I'm going to show you something real cool a lot of people don't know about. All right. Let's see if it just works. Can we just make it work? Nope, we can't just make it work. Jump to
so going on, so yes, Bitcoin is in a bubble. I bought in out of sheer fear of missing out. That's what for most times, but without any understanding of the underlying thing.
Right here.
Yes.
All right. And then we'll press play. All right.
And a lot of people, a lot of old hands in this space are hoping for very, very sharp. Not just like 50%. But
no, I want to play. Okay, I thought this was the play button. The play button is really here. All right, here we go.
2,000, 3,000. Some people are hoping for that. They can buy in. It might happen. Like, this is something that we have to deal with in this space. So getting back to all seriousness with this fun and stuff.
These are months.
Markets are different.
From is this as fast as I can get it to go?
People will probably say there's blood in the streets, and then we'll probably say you haven't seen it yet.
I made this thing go way faster than this before. I did. Go to real time. I don't know. How did I speed this thing up before?
It's gonna be serious. Like, there's gonna be times like this.
Want to update every blah 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 second. Speed it up. What's this?
So yes, Bitcoin is in a bubble.
All right, let's forward. Can't forward.
Out of sheer fear of missing out without any understanding.
This is gonna suck.
Do research, guys. It will correct sharply at some point in the future. Those who have understanding of the underlying tech and the long.
Wait till we get to a crash. Look, wasn't that a crash right there from 256 back down that? Hey, this is gonna kill us. I can't do this. That's gonna kill us. Basically, it goes up right here. Here's a crash right here.
So some people have.
Oh my God! I gotta do a weekly.
For a bubble, so we can have some learning. Because right now, we were talking about this yesterday in the Top Coins show. We wanted to make a show that.
Let's get it to the last crash right here, which was 2017.
So if you guys want to check that out, it's on my channel.
All right, let's go right here. Let me see what it looks like.
Top Coins. That was a show yesterday.
There we go. Haha. This is the daily bars. 15,000, 14,000. Damn, that happened fast. That happened really fast. I guess I didn't know where I was at. Let's go to the weekly.
This conversation right now. So top plays, we talked about how the perceived
value
right. It seems like right now for an ICO, the perceived value is.
Let's go right here.
I don't like it. I've been saying this a lot.
$36. Damn. Why does a weekly charge go slower than the daily charge? Why do the monthly charge go slower than the weekly charge? What day was this? 2004, 2013.
They're making a gaming coin and they want to implement APIs and allow.
All right, that's too far back. All right, let's try.
So if you want to check, there's a very, very cool engine.
Let's try a daily, and let's get back down to, let's say, 2016.
This year.
All right, we're getting to 2016 is a good place to check out how Bitcoin. I'm not even gonna go back to Mt. Gox. Let's go right about here where it was 240. I got into crypto about 216. I didn't even know it was ever 200. So I get into it around 3. Let's start it up. We're getting in 2016. So let's get it back to 2016 where I get in. Let's do it to where I get in at. 2016 right here. Price was 415 bucks. All right, here we go. I didn't even see this crash. All right, boom.
But what happened was that they
here we go.
Not allowing players to trade items by putting these
500, 700. I remember when it went to 700 and it came back down. I said, "Oh my God!" It came back down like to 400. I was like, "Oh." I had bought it at 400 back here, so when it came back down to 400, guess what happened? I sold it. Then it came back to 700. I was like, "Oh, it'll be back down to 4. It'll be back down to 4." And guess what? It went up to 1,000. I said, "Oh my God!"
Into this space, there's also game ICOs coming up. Someone was sending me
So what happens when you get into crypto? All right, a lot of new people have gotten into it. What happens is
it's gonna change. There's gonna be failures. Right off the bat, we'll tell you guys it's gonna be a failure.
You look at the price. The price goes up. You buy crypto. No. You look at the price, you reject it, and you say, "Oh, that's nothing." Then it doubles. The price doubles up on you, or triples up on you. Then you start FOMOing. Then you buy crypto. You buy it. Then you start looking at the price every day for the rest of your life. That's what happens. That's how you get into crypto.
300. So they just produce that, and of course, people always just sell.
It's something like that. Let's see. All right, so here we are. That really sucked. I had a better one than that. I just got to figure out how to do a better one. That sucked. Let's see what it looks like on a monthly.
If you guys want to try the wallet, it is the safest wallet out there. I talked to them on the team.
Jesus, these are months.
Basically, they have a software and a hardware encryption.
11,000.
It's probably the safest software wallet out there.
I mean, 1,100, 1,500, 1,600. What day? What month was this? That was May 2017. Jesus.
And then of course, on
oh my God! Look at that panhandle right here. Bloop. That's a panhandle, and then look at the parabolic, vertical. What was covering that? And then now we're like, oh, it's crashing. That's what we're thinking right now, right? It's 15% down move is what we're thinking right here. It has this for this thing to crash. It has to go all the way back. I don't know what could a crash look like. I mean, back to this level. People are praying to God Bitcoin go back down to 4,000. I know I am.
So you just want to download it, check it out there, give a review as well.
Sell your Bitcoin to me for $4,000, please. It's like looking at a Lamborghini, right?
It's gonna be interesting. It's a really cool year, so I'm very.
It's like looking at a Lamborghini and it goes on sale. Like, oh, I'm gonna sell my Lamborghini. Are you gonna sell your Lamborghini if everybody's selling their Lamborghini for like $1,000? That's what Bitcoin looks like right now to me. I got a Lamborghini with like 50% off sign on it, brand new. You'd be like, what the hell is going on? Selling a Lamborghini for 50% off. I'll take 3 of those.
From Joe saying Korea ban is fake.
Turn around and sell them for the right price.
I work with Unity.
You gotta look at it like this too.
Basic programming, but mostly
you pull a calculator out.
So I analyze game systems.
And you say
monetization as well. So I am also the electronic devil. If you guys
$1. Okay. $1 is 7,479 Satoshi sats. However you want it. That's what you look at. When this thing gets down to about, I say, 100, 0, 1, 0, 0, and this is $1. Maybe that's a little bit too far-fetched, but maybe it could be, maybe a more realistic would be 1,000 sats. Maybe. I have to really go do the math on this, but when we get down to 1,000 sats equals $1, you're gonna wish you paid $134 for one of these for 1 cent. Okay, that's when you're gonna be wishing you bought $134 of Bitcoin right now when it's $13,000, 589. Mark my video.
He's a fun spreader when it comes.
Mark my video.
I didn't like the white paper. Hey, but maybe if they come up with something very cool, I'll like it. I'm sorry. I knew about the plagiarism issue very early, just before this whole flood incident came out. it was all over. I just didn't want to fund it, but then it came out. Then I guess
what's really happening is it's going to be hard for me to pull this stuff up.
Trying, I had a copy pasted white paper. It's got some guy who can generate very good perceived value. I don't really believe that.
What I do with that article? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
Who knows?
Let's go back down to the 10 minutes or 15 minute.
At the end of the day,
a lot of technical analysts out there looking at the 15 minute.
So he did whatever it took.
What is this bit stamp? What is this price level right there for? I don't know. I want to return here or something. Did I buy right here? I don't think I did. Let's go to the. There we go. Coinbase. What's happening?
So now he is mega rich and he has a lot of
money. All right, let's go back to the day chart.
Crypto guys.
Oh man, we ain't closing below this. Oh man, that's gonna be so much of a bearish sign. If we close back above this trend line on a daily, that is going to be one bullish tail.
Just a copy white paper.
I don't know what CNBC is going to put out after that.
People, investors, QQ copy.
What we're going to actually do though, right here, is look at this news article. Home of Crypto Valley, an area where a number of cryptocurrency and blockchain startups have headquartered thanks to a permissive regulatory environment. That's where Bitman is headed. Okay? They got to get the hell out of China or they're not going to make any money because they're closing down miners one by one. All of that means is more Bitcoin for me mining. That's why I'm glad I'm mining right now. They're not going to stop mining. They're going to just go somewhere else that's really nice and cold and is lenient, like Swiss, the financial headquarters of the world. I don't know what to say about that, but anyways, anywho, any what, anyhow, the price is kind of like not even moving me to sell my Bitcoin no more. I almost was like, let me sell my pride and joy. Now it's like, wait a minute, what's going on? People are scared. I think that was Bitman selling that Bitcoin, man, closing up shop. They also said it was the Korean exchanges getting raided. But everybody know that's going to be in the news everywhere. So, I mean, my channel is not helping anything. I'm just here to bring a little technical analysis to the forefront and make sure we stay in a position, right? If this is 13,400. If we don't close below this, I mean, when I say close, I mean this candle has to look like this candle. And it has to go below this candle right here. And it has to go below this candle right here. So we got to look at something like 12,400. Right now, we say something is bad. It feels like you're taking away your money. And that's why I kind of refrain from doing so. But of course, all right. All I can say is we could be headed down further. All right. Watch your charts. I'm going to end this live stream right now. You guys take care. Have a good, blessed night. And, tune in again. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching. So Michael, read this. Financial manager